Good afternoon all. Well, it looks as though we have a potato reveal. As you can see, the leaves are not the greatest and I have found potatoes in this pot, so I think it's time we tipped it out. Let's have a look-see. Oh. Let's have a look-see. Ooh. Well, okay. We have a good root system. There's one tiny potato there. So, we're nice and red. We've just had a week's worth of rain, actually. Please tell me they are not going to be that big. Oh, it's full of insects. Yeah, so it's oh, well, if nothing else, I had it and I lost it. That is a good sign that I've got good soil. So I better put him back in somewhere. I lost him. I don't know where he went. Please tell me I have potatoes. I know I've got one. This one's been going since May this year. And it's not actually cold today. I can actually feel a hint of warm air. So we are heading into spring. My budgie is just driving me mad. All he wants to do is to go outside. Oi, oi. There you've been hiding. There you've been hiding. That is the biggest one since the last one. Interesting. You know, it's funny. It's a bit of give and take. You just don't know. Life is like a pot of potatoes. You never know what you're going to get. What movie is that from, guys? That is not a worm. These are worms. Oh, they're wriggly little things too. I'm not used to handling worms. Nice big fat ones. There we go. So we're heading into spring and it's making my budgie go crazy. He can't come outside because we have noisy miners here and they just attack all the time, especially in springtime. They just go nuts and just bully every little bird that comes their way. There we go. Look, that's full of worms. I might have a worm farm after all. Although I've been told that worms from the garden don't do worm farms very well because they're already tired and they're already have had it, basically. Not much on that one, but look at the roots on that one. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, so I think I feel, oh my God, they just keep coming. This is one of the best ones I've had. I didn't realise I had that many in here. Might have to weigh these after all. I didn't bring my scales out, so I will leave oh, look at the baby ones. Yeah. I will leave a comment in the comment section as to what the weight is of these potatoes. for you, just to give you an idea. I know it should be raining them in the video, but I just wanted to get this video done before it gets cold, and because it's now 1:30 in the afternoon, it's still relatively cold here in South Australia, more words. And I can feel more. Yeah, definitely more. These aren't bad sizes. Look at that. Plus that big one I've already got. And I've completely run out of spuds, actually. I was going to make a lamb chop casserole for tea tonight. And you can't have a lamb chop casserole without spuds. So I think that is it. So I've got to be careful. I've noticed a wasp hanging around here earlier that was ready to attack me. So look at that big spud. That's awesome. And that's been going since May. So May, June, July, August. So these have only been going for a couple of months now. This is a nice little harvest. No scabs on them whatsoever. I'm going to have fun with this lot. Yep, definitely a lot of spuds. The small ones you can boil up. Add a bit of butter to them. Mash them all up. That's what I do. So I potted up another pot of spuds. I will just take this up here. I just want to show you guys something else. Ooh. Nasturtiums making a comeback. Of course I haven't done any reading. Reading? Me? I should probably harvest this one too. It's starting to get a bit wriggly looking. Might end up doing that. Lemon tree's looking a bit bare. So I've just potted up another lot of spuds just to keep the rotation of spuds going, because these are dying off very quickly. They just started dying off in the last week, so yeah. The weather is getting warm. Oh no, I just saw an aphid. Where are you, you bugger? Squash, squash. Go away. Right next door to the carrot. Yeah. So I've got to fight to keep these carrots going. The size of this garlic. I wonder if I got a bulb. Can I dig? Let me dig. Can't see anything. I know what I do have. Here's a carrot. A couple of carrots actually, but I might just pull one. Someone said on YouTube, look at that carrot. I said, yeah. And I actually gave him a name last week. I said, Stumpy tastes pretty good too. So you ready for this one, guys? Actually, bring you closer. Let's have a look. See if we can get Stumpy number 2. Well, this might be a proper one. Oh, this might be a proper one. Oh my word. Oh my word. Holy shit snacks. Sorry, I've been watching a lot of Archer lately. They are ready. They are ready. Maybe I might pull that other one. I've got more coming, so no big drama. They are ready. All from the garden. All from containers. This is an area that has absolutely no soil. I've got a great big gap there in the shed, so I've been hiding it with all the lemon trees and the potatoes, so you can't see it, you know. Wow. Oh my word. All that hard work. And here I said last week I wasn't going to get a potato harvest, or a harvest for that matter. So, let's round it off, shall we? Let's round it off. One more thing we've got to do. I wasn't going to do this because I wanted to make them a little bit bigger. But if you're going to have a casserole, you got to do it with a bit of celery. Yeah? With a bit of celery. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh yes, miss. Just don't worry about that. So I might chop this long one back. Just even it out a little bit. They're not the most biggest stalks, but they will do. They will do, donkey. They will do. Ooh. Oh, what do you know? We've got noise in the background. Typical. Oh my word, those carrots are better than the potatoes. So look at that, guys. Look at that hole. That's going to make a nice casserole tonight. Lamb chop casserole. Alright, guys. I'm going to have to calm down from this one. I will talk to you all later. Bye.